Humanity has always dreamed of flying. Throughout history, though the eras have changed, since the days we flew into the sky and took our first steps into the vast universe, we have never stopped wondering, what else can be changed by flying? We break the limits between geography and space. We achieve comprehensive, multi-vector monitoring and detection. We perform automatic, long-distance patrols to pinpoint leaks and abnormalities. We find security risks and fix them before they are exploited. We get to the scene quickly and get real-time situation updates with HD zoom optics. We provide real-time video feeds to headquarters for fast decisions and effective command. We capture information about fires and disasters from the air. We use infrared thermal imaging to protect life in danger. Dahua's UAV has inherited Dahua's technical competency in audio and video technology with the best professionals in the industry and the pursuit for extreme product quality. We present the safest UAV ever. We integrate the most advanced technologies in cloud control, flight navigation, flight propulsion, and wireless communication. We are leading the industry into the era of intelligent, three-dimensional safety. Top quality carbon fiber materials make our UAV more lightweight, robust, and reliable. Innovative, integrated remote control and ground station design greatly saves on labor costs. Iteration accurate to 400 Hz and the best flight control algorithms enable our UAV to challenge harsh environments and fly safely in all weather conditions. Sensitive, intelligent PTZ control algorithms at a precision of 0.01 degrees enable our 30 times optical zoom and infrared imaging camera to operate effectively aboard the UAV. With intelligent flight control features, control is easier, more convenient, and more reliable. Stable wireless communication technology avoids signal blind spots, making stable BVR flight a reality. Innovation is a capability. Quality is an attitude. We conduct rigorous long-term tests in complex environments that goes far beyond industry standards, ensuring the quality of our products. We make flights safer to earn the trust of our users. Dahua overcomes geography barriers with UAV and enriches its applications with intelligence. We are the expert in the field of intelligent UAV.